Today I am showing you how to make delicious Italian cacciatore. That's all ingredients you need. First, we need to season the flour, really important. Then, dust both side chicken with flour. In a heavy bottom pot, over high heat, sear the chicken until golden color. Turn over and sear the other side. After sear, remove chicken to the plate. In the same pot, cook and stir the onions, celery, carrots, and season again. Add fresh garlic, rosemary, and bay leaf. Cook and stir vegetables for 2-3 minutes. Pour in the wine and cook until it evaporates. Now add the peppers, mushroom, and tomato puree. Stir the vegetable very well and return chicken to the pot. Now add the chicken stock in the pot. Reduce the heat to low heat. Cover the pot and simmer for 30 minutes until chicken is tender. Add in olives, capers, and lemon juice. Allow to simmer for 2 more minutes. You can serve over pasta, rice, polenta, or mashed potato. After chicken is tender, transfer the chicken to the plate. If necessary, boil the sauce until consistency for about 3-4 minutes. Spoon the sauce over the chicken, then sprinkle with the fresh parsley and serve. This is super simple way to make chicken cacciatore. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below and subscribe. Feel free to share this video. Thank you.